Well, una sir, it's questionable. Bakit gabi tayo nagpuputol ng ano? Hindi na to earth balling, oh. That's not earth balling. That's bullshit. It's bullshit. Ang dami yung gabing nagtatrabaho, sir. Bakit naging earth balling yan, sir?
Kayo contact to our representative from San Miguel.
Ay.
Nakipag-usap.
Pero sir, taga saan po tayo?
San Miguel po. Doon na lang po kayo makipag-usap.
From San Miguel po kayo.
Sila po.
Kayo po, sir.
Pag-Shulamite Garden po.
Third party. Where's the DNR?
Ando po sila, ando po sila. Doon po kayo makipag-usap sa may concern niya.
Sino po yung taga DNR? Why are we doing this? You're fooling the people. Ay, ma'am, no.
What do you mean by we are fooling the people?
We're expecting that these trees will be earthballed.
They are being earthballed.
It's not earthballing. Mabubuhay pa ba yan, ma'am? Ma'am, mabubuhay pa ba yan? Yung isa doon nakahiga. It's not earthballing. It's questionable that we're doing this at night. It's not earthballing. Paano nag-earthballing yan? Ma'am is from San Miguel. Ma'am, taga saan po tayo, ma'am? Bakit tayo nagse-face mask bigla? Taga saan po tayo, ma'am? Taga DNR tayo? Ay, putang ina kung taga DNR kayo.